Hey buddy, welcome to StreamSemester.com's Teaching to the Test Pattern. I'm Tom White, and today a quick tutorial on ducking. And what ducking is you're actually trimming audio to make sure your vocals come through better. So in a news situation, if you filmed B-roll and let's say you're at a festival, it's 4th of July today, so I'm thinking festivals, I'm thinking a baseball game, I'm thinking things like that. And you've got all this background noise that you don't want to get rid of in your package. A lot of times students will either leave the audio from your B-roll unedited so it's crazy loud, or they will just delete it so it's gone and it just looks weird. Well, you want that audio in there. It enhances the impact of your B-roll. So what you're going to do is what's called ducking, and you're ducking the background audio under the main audio you want to hear. So it's an interview. It's whatever you want to hear, you're going to duck the other audio under it. And for me, I use Davinci Resolve to show this because I like the way their audio editing looks. It looks, you can actually see what you're editing. You can see the sound waves, and I like that. So as you see here on my cursor, it's just over this white line, and what this white line is the audio level for that clip. And I'm going to play this clip, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I mean it just doesn't sound good.
Teaching to the test pattern.
Hey buddy, welcome to StreamSemester.com's Teaching to the Test Pattern. I'm Tom White. So as you see there, very, very low vocal audio, and that's not that the audio here is bad. Sorry for the scrub there. The audio here isn't bad. It's just that the audio from the bed is lower. So I'm going to do a couple of things. First off, we're going to locate that white line here on this piece, and we're going to, on Davinci, it's Alt, and you're going to click, and these are going to create keyframes. And I'm creating 2 keyframes, and what keyframes are, they are notes in your editor that say, at this time, I want you to do this thing. And what we're going to tell it to do is, at this time, I want the audio to be at this level. And your space between keyframes, you're always going to have to set 2 keyframes, a start and a beginning. And the distance between them is how quickly the thing you want to happen happens. So what we're going to do here, let me move this forward a little bit so you can see what I mean there. All right. And so now this is going to play pretty quickly, and let me lower this to about what I want. What the goal is to lower this music bed down to where it's below my vocals. So we're going to try that right there. Hey buddy, welcome to Stream Semester. So you saw how harsh that was. It was pretty sharp, okay? It sounded good. Hey buddy, welcome to StreamSemester.com's teaching. And let's get a little bit more so you can see how much that dropped.
To the test pattern.
Hey buddy, welcome to StreamSemester. But it's pretty sharp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this direction, and I'm going to do my best to not adjust the audio, which I have done. Another reason I like Davinci is you can see how much you've adjusted the audio. And we're going to leave it at like 1.25. We'll be fine. So let's go back and listen to that again.
Pattern.
Hey buddy, welcome to Stream Semester. You see how it kind of rings out? Pattern. I'm Tom White. Okay.
Pattern.
Hey buddy, welcome to StreamSemester.com's Teaching to the Test Pattern. And that way, the audio is down below what I want.
The test pattern.
Hey buddy, welcome to Stream Semester. So that's ducking audio. Now, what you don't want is if you have really long piece of B-roll, you don't want to duck it 5, 6, 7, 8 times. You're going to want to change your B-roll because you don't want it to be loud, quiet, loud, quiet, loud, quiet. That's more distracting. So if you just keep your Vox in there, your Vox pop in there, your interview, whatever your SOT, and then you just dip it down once and it comes back. And if you need to change, you change your B-roll. And to merge your B-roll, you just kind of can do the same thing. You could do a cross dissolve, or you could have one fade out and one fade in at the same time. And it depends on your B-roll there and that sound design. But that is audio ducking. It's a very, very important thing when it comes to news packages because it will help you to really make better packages. It will help your students to make better packages when it comes to the audio of their elements.
Test pattern.
Hey buddy, welcome to StreamSemester.com's Teaching to... I hope that makes sense, and I hope it empowers you to go and teach your students to go out and make some awesome.